Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your jeans sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, hat, baby sweater. You can knit this in your any projects. This is the way it looks like, see, and this is very easy to knit. I have done 4 repeats here. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeat, 3 repeat and 4 repeats, right? See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 12 and plus 4 extra stitch 16 and 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4 and knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4 and knit 2. And your last, we have done 2 repeats here, 1 2, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 5 stitch, 4 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here and start the repeat. For repeat pattern we are going to do knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and purl 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4 and purl 2. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4 and purl 2, 1 2. And your last, we have done 2 repeats, and your last 5 stitch, knit 4, 1 2 3 4 and your edge stitch, bring the yarn in front and slip on the wrong side, because this will give you nice edge. Now row 3 right side, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 and knit 2. That's the repeat. Purl 4 and knit 2. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4 and knit 2. And your last 5 stitch, yarn in front, purl 4, 1 2 3 4 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Yarn in back and knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn over 2 times, right, in between of these 2 purl stitch, yarn over 2 times, 1 2, purl wise, yarn over purl wise, right, remember that, yarn over purl wise 2 times and then purl 1 and yarn over knit wise, right? After this purl stitch, yarn over knitwise, yarn over 2 times knitwise, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done knit 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 1, yarn over twice, purl wise, and purl 1, yarn over twice, knitwise, right? Here purl wise and here knitwise, right? Because the next stitch is going to be knit. So this is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn over twice 2 times, purl wise, yarn over twice, purl wise, 1 2, purl 1, yarn over twice, knitwise, yarn in back, 1 2. So we have done 2 repeats, and your last 5 stitch, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip. Row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, yarn in back, and then unwrap this yarn overs and then slip 1, unwrap this yarn overs and then slip 2, right? Slip 2, purl 4 and slip 2. This is the repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn in back, unwrap this yarn over, slip 1, unwrap this yarn over, slip 2. And your last, we have done 2 repeats, and your last 5 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6. Row 6, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Yarn in back, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, yarn in front, slip 2. That's the repeat. Knit 4, purl 2, yarn in front, slip 2. Repeat that again. Yarn in back, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn in front, slip 2. And your last 5 stitch, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn in front, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 7. For row 7, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and purl 1. Now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, right? The repeat pattern starts from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, 1 2, yarn in back, and twist this 2 stitch, this one slip stitch and one purl stitch, right? Twist this slip stitch to the right way and knit 1, purl 1, knit the next stitch and purl the purl stitch, and here twist 2 to the left way. Bring this purl stitch here from the back side and twist this stitch to the left way, and here purl 1, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 2, twist 2 to the right way, twist 2 to the left way. Again, purl 2, and in front, purl 2, 1 2, and in back, twist 2 to the right way, and from this 2, knit 1, purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from this 2, purl 1 and knit 1. And we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 4 stitch, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8 wrong side. For row 8 last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and in front purl 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat, knit 4 and purl 2. Repeat that again, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 2, 1, 2. And the last 5 stitch, 2, 4, 5 stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.